From the vibrant city of Pune, situated at an elevation of 560 meters above sea level, our journey began with dreams soaring high above the clouds. Step by step, we ascend through breathtaking landscapes and diverse cultures, each step bringing us closer to the majestic Himalayas. We reached Saleri at 2390 meters, where the air turned crisp and the mountains began to show their grandeur. From there, we trekked to Namche Bazar at 3440 meters, the bustling heart of the Khumbu region and the gateway to Everest. As we climbed higher, we arrived at Dingboche, 4410 meters, surrounded by snow capped peaks and serenity. Our next stop, Labuche, at 5030 meters, reminded us of the strength and resilience this journey demands. Now, with hearts full of excitement and eyes set on the horizon, we are on our way to our final goal, the legendary Everest Base Camp, standing tall at 5,364 meters above sea level. This is just not a trek, it's our journey of endurance, wonder, and awe, a once in a lifetime path to the foot of the world's highest peak.
7:30 in the morning. The date is 12th of May 2024 and जैसे हम निकले अपने ट्रैक की शुरुआत के लिए टुवर्ड्स EPC, see what's happening. ये हमारी परेशानी बढ़ाने वाला है. ठीक है, no problem. Let's fight.
We leave Labuche behind and begin the 4.5 kilometer ascent to Gorakshep, the final settlement before reaching Everest Base Camp. The trail is steep, the air is thin, but our determination is stronger than ever. Every step brings us closer, not just to the destination, but to a dream carved in snow and silence. ट्रैक शुरू करने से पहले मोक्ष ने गलती से गीले हाथों में ग्लव्स पहन लिए. थोड़ी दूर बर्फ में चलने के बाद ही स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. कहने लगा, मम्मा उंगलियों में काफ़ी दर्द हो रहा है. वी चेंज्ड हिज ग्लव्स. वी वर लिटिल वरिड, बट जब उसके हाथ थोड़े वार्म हो गए, ही वॉज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. रास्ता मुश्किल नहीं है, पर मौसम ने हमारी टेस्ट लेनी शुरू कर दी थी. ये ट्रैक अब सिर्फ फिजिकल नहीं रहा, इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट योर विल पावर. पर यही तो असली टेस्ट होता है. कभी कभी चैलेंज रास्ते में नहीं, हमारे अंदर होता है. हर कदम के साथ दिल ये याद दिलाता है, तू रुकने के लिए नहीं आया है. माउंटेन्स सिर्फ उन्हीं को रास्ता देते हैं जो हर हालत में आगे बढ़ना जानते हैं. एंड वी kept moving, one breath, one step at a time.
Three hours into the trek and we still about an hour and a half away from Gorakshep, and I would like to mention one thing. Our bodies are so incredible. I don't know how it adjusts to the atmosphere, the climatic conditions so well. It's a miracle that God made. I mean, he's the best engineer I've seen so far. What he's done with the bodies is incredible. I wonder how it adjusts and adapts to the situations where we have come. It's freezing. It's -3, -4, I don't know what. I'll let you know in some time. And it's incredible. Oxygen levels almost zero. Not zero, it's there. But we are struggling to breathe. And all is good. I think we'll make it to EBC today. That's it.
We have no other option, Papa.
We have no other option because neither you can go down. We just have the option to go up because we've crossed almost more than half of the road of the trek.
There's no way going back.
There's no way going back now.
We are only one village away.
Yes. And look, our body has acclimatized really quick. Neero Bhaiya and me, see, we are without gloves, and all these
And
three are with us.
Show them some Sherpa dance.
जैसे ही हमने लबूचे पास क्रॉस किया, मौसम ने जैसे एक नया रूप ले लिया। ठंडी हवा अब थोड़ी नरम लगने लगी। कभी कभी जिंदगी भी ऐसी ही होती है। जब लगता है सब कुछ भारी हो गया है, तभी एक मोड़ आता है जो सब कुछ बदल देता है। और उस मोमेंट में हमने सिर्फ ट्रैक नहीं किया, हमने जीना महसूस किया।
At an altitude of 5,200 meters above sea level.
People are dancing.
ये हमारे शेरपे नाच रहे। We are on top of the mountain from where we can see the Everest base camp. Probably, I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not, but we can see it.
The tents.
And look what humans have done. Look at this. This is the Khumbu Glacier. Day by day, it's melting. I mean, this is the consequences of global warming. Just look at this. Everything's melting. Bad. Just bad. The weather's also bad. We cannot see a thing. कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है.
ये पहाड़ जितने खूबसूरत है उतने ही अनप्रिडिक्टेबल भी। एक छोटी सी दिक्कत बड़ा रिस्क बन सकती है। सेफ्टी ऑलवेज कम्स फर्स्ट। जब हम ट्रैकिंग कर रहे थे, मैंने देखा कि कुछ पत्थर पहाड़ी से नीचे गिर रहे हैं। आई क्विकली वार्नड एवरीवन।
जल्दी निकलो इधर से।
क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं, जल्दी निकलो।
And just like that, it was all sunny again. Meeting someone from our hometown always brings joy, but meeting Mr. Rafiq Sheikh from the Maharashtra Police was truly special. His dedication and words inspired us to move ahead with strength and purpose.
आज का दिन है 12 मई 2024 और सुबह जब हम निकले थे लाबूचे से तो भयानक स्नो फॉल हो रहा था और उसकी वजह से हम लोग काफ़ी स्लो हो चुके थे। and we reached Gorakchep by 1:30, and by the time we had dinner it was already 2:30. Sorry. Mountains. It happens in mountains. So by the time we had नहीं रहने देना. By the time we had our lunch, it was already. ये साले हंस रहे मेरे पे. हाँ. By the time we had our lunch, it was 2:30, and after consulting a guide, from here to EBC it was around 3 hours walk. So we would have reached there around 5:30, 6, and returning from there back would have been a task, because it would have been all dark, पूरा अंधेरा होता था, और अंधेरे में हम ये रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहते थे, तो इसके लिए हम लोग रुक गए. और अभी बजे हैं 3 बज चुके हैं अभी, और टेम्परेचर है -10, it's 0 degrees now, and it's still snowing outside. So we've decided to stay back in Gorakchep, and tomorrow morning we'll go to EBC and come back from there.